Yeah, after one of the best races ever at the Truck Series, Kyle Thomas is the points leader. Zeke Marley almost had a chance to win that race. He's third in points. Kyle Thomas takes over the points lead. Kevin Brandon is second. James Bowles is fourth. Raymond Fisher is fifth in the Truck Series. Points. Max Smith is sixth. Brick Tamlin, I believe, is probably might have got that wrong, but yeah. Yeah, top your 5. This is the top 10, 20. So let's get on to the Home Depot. Did I say the Home Depot? The Subway 250, the Subway 100 here at North Carolina Speedway. 20 laps here. As I need to do something again, I have messed up so badly because I have someone for donuts. Oops. Oopsie, I don't want you. Wait, which car is not in the series? I don't think. The Sierra's on, so I'm good. Alright, championship, here we go. As we look at your entry field. As we got some guys here, or a couple of these guys are here, so we got this going on. Let's get to the qualifying session.
Drivers, to your cars.
An hour later, we have the official qualifying standings. Jay Stella will start first in the 10 truck. Harrison Ponder will start second. Max Smith will start third. Blake Steiner will start fourth. Andrew Hills will start fifth. Jay Barker, I think, it will start sixth. Fred Singer will start 7th. Raymond Fisher will start 8th. Zeke Marley 9th. And Katie Elizabeth will start 10th. Looking for your points leader, Kyle Thomas. He won't be starting. Is he even in this race? I might have totally messed up. Hold on. There's 3 trucks here, so where's... Oh, there he is. Never mind. He's still start 19th. Your points leader. Bad starting position for him today.
Drivers, to your cars.
As we have 20 laps here today at this wonderful speedway of Rockingham. I forgot what it was called before. My bad. But, yeah, this is going to be interesting. Next, our face truck will dive into pit road. 24 drivers come into the race and trying to get their win after a unbelievable fit and start. Green flag! Racing Cup Truck Series is now underway at Rockingham. Already starting, we already have a new leader. The 53 of Max Smith, who started third, is up to first. Let's look at the rest of the field. Very interesting racing going on right now. Zeke Marley almost had a chance to win the Daytona from an unbelievable close finish with Kyle Thomas. I cannot believe that. Still undergoing investigation. They have confirmed Kyle Thomas won that race, so we don't have to worry about that, but that would be on a montage soon, that finish. As we have a battle for second. Andrew Hills and Jay Stella battling it out for the second position, the 10 truck and the 17. Max Smith needs to see if it's like the final couple laps of the race. It's a lot wide in the back. Man, that 40 tour Harrison Parker was starting up front, and now is all the way to 16th. Something might be wrong with that pieces race. I don't even know what racing team is this, but with that Chevy Racing Silverado. Six laps complete out of 20. As we look, this might be a little tough to say. For a second there, I thought the 5 of Jay Barker, I believe is his name. Or Jake, I'm not sure. Well, it was like Jay Barker almost turned around the Andrew Hills truck of... Andrew Hills. I'm sorry. I usually don't know these names. Look at this. Cup Series regulars. 13th. Trying to get something going. Kyle Thomas is a Cup Series regular, including James Bowles. Come on. There we go, camera. Including James Bowles in the 54. He is a Cup Series regular. Had 4 wins in the Cup. No wins yet in the trucks. But you don't know what's going to happen here. Alright, we just marked halfway. 10 laps to go. Blake Steiner in the 61 for Cowboys Motorsports, trying to get his Truck Series 1. Max Smith might be in trouble now, because here comes the 10 of Jay Stella. He is a Cup Series regular as well, driving the 9-car 1 Cup Series victory at Talladega. Will he, and should he, be a threat to the Truck Series standings? We'll see what happens, because anyone could win. And I mean anyone. $12 laps to go. Well, 12 laps already complete. As looks like we have 7 laps to go now, officially 6. 7 laps to go, excuse me. I think it's 8 now. I'm not sure. But anyway, this might be a repeat of what happened if that 10 car could get close enough. Jay Stella trying to get creeping up on that number 53, surely but slowly. Helicopter cam activated. Let's see what happens. As he has a huge run, staying in the same place though. Huge run there. Past the finish line, past the line. As they get a little wiggly there. Back to the backstretch as they gave momentum to Andrew Hills. So a little interesting strategy going on. As marks the end of the closing laps of the race, Max Smith might be getting the Truck Series victory soon enough, as he just dominated the whole race. This won't be a long video, luckily. I gotta watch the Michigan race of the Sprint Cup Series. don't think Gator Hills has enough time to get up to that, you know. That 53. Well, there's the race. Right now, let's look in the back. One lap to go until the white flag stand by. Battle for fourth. Fred Singer for Jay Stella's fourth place position. Yeah, he's gonna get it. Anyway, white flag in the air. Max Smith, a Cup Series regular, trying to get his Truck Series win. Look at the 17. He is getting so close to that Silverado. Going to turns 3 and 4. And Max Smith will win here at Rockingham at the Racing Cup Truck Series. Okay, interesting race, good so far. Complete standings right there to the top, right at the top 10. Man. So, here's your official Max Smith standing. Okay. Max Smith will finish first, Andrew Hills will finish second, Blake Steiner will finish third, Fred Singer will finish fourth, Raymond Fisher will finish fifth, Jay Stella will finish sixth, seventh is going to be Dan Brandon, eighth is going to be James Bowles, and Gabe Williams is going to be will finish seventh. What? Okay, Gabe Williams will finish ninth, and Jay Barker will finish fifth. Harrison Ponder, man, tough break for him. He started up front and finished dead last. Bad day. So, let's head to the victory lane as boom confetti. And the next race is Las Vegas, so let's check out the standings. Max Smith will take the points lead. Raymond Fisher. Wow, that's a big hit in the points for Kyle Thomas. Raymond Fisher's second in points. James Bowles is third in points in the truck. So, we'll see you guys at Las Vegas. Peace.